what happened was we had a water leak in the corner of our master bedroom. And I had had a roofer here, and the roofer said there's no leak in the roof. I'd had plumbers here who made holes in the wall. They said there was nothing, it was all dry. And the only other thing I could think of was was the slab. And that's why I called NSquare, because they were the ones that stood out the most.
I spent last almost 30 years in real estate development business. I'm not a contractor, I'm a real estate developer, real estate professional. I have huge experience with the contractors. And all these 30 years I was under impressions, and it's two types of contractors, bad and worse. And I'm very happy that NSquare is actually the only one which I can for sure tell them they are not just good, they're excellent contractors.
Professional and honesty are two very important things when you're running a business. And if you are professional from day one and you are honest, you got it made. And NSquare is professional, honest, knowledgeable, compassionate, and I would recommend them to anyone.